All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. All right, just a quick disclaimer: we are not a buy or sell. Excuse me, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, all right? So if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone to teach you how to trade these Forex markets, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right. Firstly, guys, I'm really sorry for the way I sound. I thought I'll get better today, but it's just been worse today. Okay, so please bear with me, and let's have a good session. I'm looking forward to getting into the weekend. I feel like I need to rest up, and I just need to take some time off. But it's all good. Okay, wait here. So let's have a good day. We've had a brilliant week. Um, we've had a brilliant week, so let's make sure to have a successful close to it, okay? And that being said, today is also Friday, all right? You guys know how choppy Fridays can be. Fridays are known for taking away your profits, okay? So you'll wanna make sure that your risk management is on point today. And also, guys, we're not financial advisors, okay? So any trades that you take upon yourself, and please don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time, okay? All right, you guys. I I I opened up London this afternoon, all right, and I thought I'm gonna try and trade something and just look at something. I saw the volume on London and I was like, screw this, it's not happening, all right. It was way too choppy. I ended up getting in on one feeler that went against me on GU for like about 10 pips, and I was like, screw it, it's a Friday, the markets are not good, I'm not feeling well, and I didn't try and jump into anything. Okay, so London was very choppy. Expect some chop for New York as well. Okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna quickly share my screen with you guys. Okay, I reckon you guys can see my screen now. Just give me a quick second, you guys. Okay. This is what I'm looking at. Excuse me, guys. One second. Sorry about that, guys. Um, this is what I'm looking at on gold right now. Okay, not too much happening. We're within our zone. We're basically sideways trading right now. Bigger break of structure for the buys are going to be up above there, and your break of structure cells are going to be down here. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI. A little bit of bullish divergence maybe starting to kick in on the RSI. Solid demand sitting down here. We break up here, we're definitely going up to fill that zone up to the daily resistance, and bigger break of structure is naturally going to be on the break of that to maybe this region. Okay, so let's see what price wants to do, and then I also have the indices for you guys, and it's a pretty big zone on Nasdaq. Okay, so maybe let's adjust this up just a little bit. Let's have coming into some short-term demand over here. So maybe, just maybe, you guys don't have to do this one-on-ones. You guys probably can, because we would have probably spoken about this. So this could be your short-term sales before your BOS on the daily support. Okay, now there is a chance over here that we may start to get a bounce back up. So if you guys want to wait for that to happen, well and good. The more advanced traders, the ones that are part of our army of millionaires, you guys know how to possibly trade this as well. Okay, risk management, risk management. Okay, and the dirty is pretty straightforward. Not too much happening. Maybe a potential a little bit of a small head and shoulders over here, maybe a bigger head and shoulders beginning to play out over here. But if we happen to break past that daily resistance, we could definitely push up to that region, which is the 80. I've marked it as a psychological 80. Not a very big move, guys. It's about a 22 pip move, and naturally the fall is going to most likely come from here if it does. down to our 4-hour support and possibly the daily support as well. Okay. Um, okay. Okay. Sorry for the way I sound, you guys. I don't feel the best today. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go through the chat. Um, what's up, you guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. What's up, JJ? Cypot, Will, Shelby, Lucky. What's up, you guys? Cut. Yes, I am a little sick. Thank you so much, Jay. Thank you, buddy. I should be up and running for the new week. Starting Monday. Okay, let's kick them pips we have made this week. I agree, Kyle. I agree. Today is super choppy. I can feel it. We have a speech folder that's going to be releasing a little after market open. Um, so maybe you can expect some chop for market open, a little bit of erratic movement, and yeah, we've just got to see how that goes, okay? But nonetheless, still expect shop today, you guys. It's Friday, we're closing a week, and we're closing a decently volumized week as well, okay? So we may get the moves, we may not get the moves. It's all good. We've had a great week, and let's make sure not to jeopardize our accounts, not on this last session for the week, okay? Good morning, Millzone. See screen, awesome. Did anyone trade London today? Oh, cash. Yeah, well, so thank you, Susie. Thank you. No GU. No, I'm gonna do GU as well. I'll do GU. I'll do GU for you guys. Okay. Yeah, well, bro, get some rest this weekend. I wish I could get some rest over the weekend, man, but I'm um I'm loaded with one-on-ones, man. And I can't afford no reschedules just because of the wait time. Yeah, man, I'll get better. It's just the flu, nothing I can't beat. Okay, let's quickly do GU for you guys as well. Okay, so all right, look at that. That was my analysis on GU for London. All right, so I got caught in on this at about this time. All right, and this is where I had my feeler on the buys for GU. I knew this market was going to push to the upside, but this is where I got in on my feeler. Naturally, it kept respecting the trend line, kept making lower lows. Then I managed to get in on another feeler over here. Down here, it didn't give me my Lambo entry, so I was like, screw it. I closed this at break even. I took a $10 loss on this, and then I was like, I'm not trading this. If I'm going to get some pips, I'll get it for New York. But if I don't, it's all good, all right? But that's the move that I was anticipating, that Cash and I, both of us were anticipating. That was the move, and it most certainly did play out on the break of our structure. It was a timing issue, and in all honesty, I just couldn't care too much about it today, all right? So let's start up with a fresh top-down analysis. We have about 6 minutes to go for market open. Okay, so let's get this done. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead, mark up our daily high, mark up our daily low. We're definitely coming into some support or resistance over there as well. So let's mark that up. We have our daily resistance, we have our daily support, and fuck me, sorry about that, guys. And yeah, we have some more daily resistance that's sitting over here. Okay, switch to the 4H. Beautiful. All right, so this can now change into our 4H resistance. Okay, we have that level that's still looking good, and we have some nice structure that's coming in right there. That is our 4H support. Okay, and then, excuse me, guys. Oh shit. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me know. No, I was talking. I was coughing and I didn't realize I was still on mute. I'm so sorry, you guys. But yeah, all I was saying was this, that we are coming into some demand over here. We've created a lower low. We've created this structure. So definitely some buyers that are going to be sitting in this area, some buyers that are going to be sitting at the 4H support as well. Okay, so we don't need any more levels over here. We're good to move on to the 15s. You guys can hear me now, right? Can you all hear me? Guys? Okay, good, good, good. Thank you. Okay. Wickfield, Wickfield sitting up there. Nasty's doing something. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay, we're 2 minutes away from market open. If you guys want to be in, I like the dirty. All right, we're 2 minutes away from market open, and if you're in on anything, it should be impulses. Okay, let it do its thing. I'm gonna quickly finish off the top down for you guys. All right, 15s don't need any levels. Actually, 15s have. Let's get a 15-minute resistance right there. Okay. And it's pretty clear, right? It's pretty damn clear. Expect some chop in this region, one-on-ones. What are we seeing here, you guys? Come on, my army of millionaires. I want you guys to answer this. What are we seeing potentially start to play out over here? Middle finger. That does it, cut. That does it. That's absolutely right, man. It's exactly that. It's exactly that. Okay. Okay. Sells down here. All right. Buys. I think I'm passing on the my flu to Cash as well. She's coughing in the background. And buys up here. Okay, guys. So we have about 20 seconds to market open. Let me just get everything set up real quick. These are short-term buys. This is for you one-on-ones. All right. Be careful with these. Okay. Let's look to get that zone to zone and go. All right. So we have market open in the next 10 seconds. Let's have a good one, guys. I'm going to keep the indices open just because they're potentially making a move right now. This is market open, okay? Okay, look at that. Look at that drop. I'm not in on anything right now. If we break the 4H, I'll look to get in on the dirty, but we need to... Okay. Okay. Testing out a little feeler on this, you guys. A little feeler. Okay. Let's see if we break that lower low. That's when I'm going to get in with a big position on the impulse, okay? These didn't do anything. Let's just take a look at this. It's trying. We're also sitting at the EMA. Okay, so we're coming in there. This is a 10 pip move. I'm gonna look to capitalize on this if it has to happen, okay? Let's break that lower low. There you go. Boom. All right, come on. Okay. My MetaTrader just got stuck on me. I hate when that happens. It's been happening a lot with Hanko Trade lately. Okay, watch for this as well. Watch for this break and the fill. Okay, I'm in on this, you guys. And I'm currently running by 2 grand. Right, 3,200. It's gonna get rejected from them most likely, so I'm gonna pull this out, or I'm at least gonna change it to break even. Okay, 4,400. I'm running. Oh wow! Who's getting this with me? 4,400. I'm not gonna be greedy. 6,000. 6, 7, 8,000. You guys. Wow, 9 grand. I just 9,600. I'm pulling this out. Fuck this shit. I'm done. 9,200. I just pulled out 9,200 on the US 30 and I'm done. I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. Excuse me. Oh God, I'm so sorry about that, you guys. I had a really bad cough attack, but I just caught 9200 on that. Okay, I'm gonna send. Okay, I closed 9200 and I caught 8800. I'm gonna send my position out. I'm gonna send my cash is gonna send. Can 10 grand cure the flu? Oh man, 10 grand can cure a lot of things, buddy. Big W cured cramps flu. Lovely. I'm gonna send out my position to you guys. Well, Cash is gonna send it out to y'all. Okay, give me a quick second. I caught a beautiful 8800 on that. I'm happy, man. I told you guys this was the move I was looking for, and surprising, right? This was the move that played out. Okay, but volume, guys, volume is everything in these markets. Risk management, liquidity, all of these things are big terms that you guys have heard a lot about, but I'm sending it to you, babe. People just make it to be more complicated than it really is. Okay, but uh, don't I don't use no volume indicators. I'm able to read price action. I'm able to see how the candles flick up and down, where the opens are, where the RSI is. I get a good indication of strength from this, and that's how I know that these will or will not play out. Okay, now irrespective of whether this wants to go back or not, I made what I had to on this one. All right, so Cash is gonna be sending it out to you right now. Babe, I'm sending you the picture. Please send it out to them. Okay. She'll put it up on the Zoom real quick. How many of you guys caught that with me? Come on, I want to see W's in the chat. W. Come on, you guys. Don't be lazy, all right? If you made some money on that, if I am here for you guys in this condition to do the stream for y'all, when I, in all honesty, should be asleep right now, I'd like to see some W's. Okay, it's okay, babe. W, good stuff, you guys. I love seeing those W's. Okay, Kyle, Rapid, Will, Zero, Queck, Lenny, Val, Jay, Marius, good stuff, you guys. I entered before the bigger break. Good stuff, cut. Ghost trying. All right, so Cash has shared. Cash has sent my position to you guys. Okay. Aggressive in, aggressive out, and I made what I had to on this one. Okay. W on GU. What's GU doing? Oh, nice. You're in there. Did you get in here? Wait for price to do its thing, right? That structure could get a little bit of a retracement here. Okay, let's see. Maybe gold wants to break down into our view on gold, sir. Can't really say right now, buddy. It really depends on how this new candle, whether it closes in our box or it picks up from here. Okay, if it closes in our box, then yes, you have your TP down here, so you could close. Okay, and you could expect to close a retest, a rejection. Okay, but we need to close in our box first in order to be able to do that. Sorry guys, the flu is everywhere over here. I think I've passed it on to Cash as well. Yes, possible, Millzone, possible. Let's take a look at the DXY. Okay. DXY is pretty bullish right now, man. Pretty bullish. And if we start to test out that area, gold could tank. Impulse on gold. Boom, look at gold, okay? Impulsive push on gold. Okay, let's see, 3.5 minutes to go, all right? If you guys are in on this, be in on just feelers. Nothing more, okay? Let this candle close in our box, and then maybe we get a little more of a push, okay? So this broke up, retested, rejected, maybe, just maybe we start to push higher, okay? Let's see, on GU. Oh wow. Look at the Dow. When it hit TP, we're now coming into some demand right here. We may pick up some buyers. Textbook trade on the dirty though, right? I loved it. It was smooth. I didn't have to wait for too much. I got in couple of seconds. I was up by almost 10 grand, and pulled out. Good move. Good move. Textbook. Break. Not too much of a retest, but if you guys zoom in, you will see the retest right there. Push down, break of previous structure. If you got in over here, that's still a fucking, excuse my language, that's still a 50 pip move, okay, you guys? Still a 50 pip move. You already closed dirty? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Closed dirty a while back, buddy. Right when I told you guys. We all banked on US 30. I love that. Saw some people join late and missed the big one. Yeah, that was a big one. Guys, are y'all not subscribed to the stream schedule? Because I see a lot of people asking about the stream timings, and the thing is we update it every weekend, right? So you guys know when the stream is. Um, You'll know when the stream is, like, before Monday, basically. So you have our schedule for the rest of the week. So is there a reason as to why y'all are unsure of when the streams are? Because for London, we come at the same time every day whenever we have the session, and for New York, we're either here at this time or an hour earlier. If there are red folders, then we come on an hour earlier, but if there aren't, we come on for market open, which is 9:30 Eastern. So is there an issue with that? Cram, it's a lifelong battle. Well, we'll tackle it together, Mills. We'll tackle it together, man. Have to get a hang of all the short names. Pretty straightforward, Susie. Nasty equals a Nasdaq. Dirty equals the Dow Jones. Goldie equals gold. That's it. That's it, okay? And the kind of positions that we use feelers, which are basically little positions that you take to feel out the setup, okay? And our bigger positions, I like to call them Lambos, like Lamborghinis. Stop on nasty. That's okay, buddy. It's fine. Okay. Let's see if gold wants to break that. Okay. Nasdaq is picking up. Still bullish. Nasdaq's looking bullish AF right now. Okay, solid push coming in. The Dow is attempting to break. All right, we break that 30, and we break our supply. You see how if the top down is done right, everything starts to align up. You guys see that? It's in front of you right now. Okay. Um, we break the structure. We break 30, and we could push down, or we get rejected from the 30, bounce up, bounce up. Nasty potentially bullish. For now, yes. For now, buddy. For now. Thank you for explaining. Lambos is new. It's all good. It's all good. When you hear me screaming with the profits I've made, it's because I've made those profits off of a Lambo, Susie. Okay? And feelers are just, like I said, tiny positions, like a cushion for your Lambo. Okay? Gold's retesting our now turn supply. Um. Expect some chop here. Guys, my GU traders, GU traders, mark up this level, okay? Very clean break of structure. Post news. All right. I'm not going to be staying for that long, obviously, but keep this level marked out. 1.24224. Okay, on FXCM. Okay, you want to break this zone and solid head and shoulders neckline breakout from here. Okay, I think we're going to break the US 30 support. At some point, yes. At some point. It doesn't have to be now, but yeah, that's something that's going to have to be broken, Kurt. But, how are they going to break it is the question, right? Because they could break it, they could do something like this before breaking it too, right? So in case this has to happen, this is where you deploy the entry-exit strategy. Right there, and in case that has to happen, you'll first go bullish like they're trying to do now. So it depends on how we react at our supply up there, and that's when we'll know if it's only a retest or if they're really taking it bullish. Okay, so let's change this red box to the sellers now. Okay, and this is starting to look good for nasty in case we happen to break out of here. Okay, marking up 2 to 4 on GU for a reason. Be careful though, buddy, okay? Just, let's drop the lots. If you've had a good week, you don't wanna mess that up, not on Friday, buddy. Uh, good. I wasn't expecting the move that we got from the dirty today. I thought, I thought if we get the move, we get the move. If we don't get the move, then it is what it is. But it's a solid close to the week for me, you guys. Solid close to the week. 10 grand. I'm happy. 10 grand, and I'm sick as shit. Mm. What plans do you guys have for the weekend? What are we doing for the weekend? Deep respect for still doing this when you're sick and still making an awesome turnover. Thank you so much, Susie. I appreciate that. Thank you. We're here for you guys. I know a lot of, we have new people joining on every day. We have people that are expecting the streams because they're expecting to hit their profit targets. So it's just a flu. It's nothing that can throw me down. And I'm gonna be here for you guys. But I appreciate the appreciation. Thank you. Okay. Um, Look at that. Extremely choppy right now, you guys. Extremely choppy. They're just going back and forth. What they're basically doing right now is they're distributing their orders within this area. Okay. Flagpole, distribution, big zone, structure break, break to the downside, or a retracement to the upside. Anything could happen. I legit don't have a bias for Nasdaq. Let me ask Cash. Do you have a bias for Nasdaq? Alright, the queen of nasty is not trading nasty herself right now, so that should say something to you guys. Okay? Okay, alright, so gold would have only given you an impulsive move. Alright, you had no reason to get in on your Lambos just because you haven't broken that previous structure. So if you're in on the feelers over here and you want to have a stop loss, you could have your stop loss at about this region. Okay, this candle body top, that's the stop loss that you guys could be having. Huh? Nasdaq's falling? Okay. Not exactly. What do you think's gonna happen? Overbought. Alright. Cash says the higher time frame is overbought and nasty, which means that the sales should most likely kick in. DXY is pushing up, makes sense that Nasdaq is dropping, and it makes sense that gold is dropping as well. Okay, but gold's starting to make a little bit of a retracement, and it could be that the DXY is coming into some supply here as well. Okay, so if we come back into some supply, we could probably come down to create our third leg, which would look something like that. Right? Makes sense? Neckline. Okay, so in order for this to happen, we have to come down on the DXY. Sorry, you guys, excuse me. We have to come down on the DXY and could potentially go bullish on gold. Impulse on what? On what, buddy? Shelby? Impulse on what? Is anyone in any trades right now, you guys? Anyone in any trades? Impulse on nasty. Yeah, I would stay away from this, Shelby. It's too choppy right now, man. I would stay away from this. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe gold, and it's all choppy right now, to be fair. But Nasdaq in particular, they're just trading sideways, buddy. You know, they're just trading sideways. So what's basically happening in this zone? Okay, in this zone is we're basically consolidating, right? In our sessions we spoke about the distribution, the accumulation, and all of that, right, Shelby? So this is basically just this, right? They're going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? So neither the buyers nor the sellers are in control over here, you know? And if no one's in control, how could we be longing or shorting the market? You know what I'm saying? So we've got to wait for someone to take control on the break of structure, either up there or now I'd say down here. These are the safer trades to get in on. These. Yes, maybe, correct, maybe. Not perfect, but maybe. Gold still respecting, okay? Gold hasn't broken past our supply, so they're still respecting this. All right, you'll remember what I told you with GU as well. Gone back up for a nice little third leg. We could come down range. We should respect this trend line. As long as we're respecting this trend line, this pattern looks solid. Okay. Babe, do we have any slots open for the one-on-one? We do. How many? One slot open for the one-on-ones, you guys. Sorry, I won't be able to talk about it too much today, but one slot open. Okay, Cash just told me I think one slot got booked yesterday, and we have someone that's finishing over this weekend, so we have one more slot opened up. And the good news is this slot will also be for the express package, not just the regular package. Okay, so if you guys want to get booked up for the one-on-ones, make sure to message Cash Effects. She'll send you all the information that you need to get joined and to get started. And I'm not going to be doing this for too long, you guys. I'm really not. Okay, it takes up too much of my time, and and it's a lot of work. All right, it's a lot of work. I've been doing it for 8 months at a stretch, and I'm just not going to be doing them for too long. And even if I'm going to be doing them, the what's the word? I'm not even getting the word. There are going to be fewer of them. Okay, it's going to be more premium. It's going to be more. It's something that's probably going to happen once a week or twice a week as we move forward. Okay, we're also figuring out how to change the model of the one-on-ones moving forward. So we'll have an update with on that with you guys. I'm getting on a call with the team on Sunday. Cash and I are getting on a call with the other founders, and we're basically going to have something for you guys by next week, hopefully. Okay, so if you guys want to get booked into the one-on-ones, now's your time for the private customized sessions. If you're less frequent, thank you, Alpha DJ. Yes. All right, so if you guys want to, now's your time. Message Cash. She'll fill you in, and she'll give you guys the information. Okay, we're not doing this for the money, you guys. Please let me make that extremely clear. They're extremely undervalued for a reason, and the only reason is we want to spread this knowledge out to you guys. Okay, so knock yourselves out if you guys want to get learning on this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for maybe another there's honestly nothing happening in these markets right now. Understandable. Just talked about it with my friend that got me here. You guys are insanely good indeed. Thank you so much, Susie. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. I see a potential reversal coming over here. Okay. If If we hold at this supply, we're coming back down, you guys. If we hold over here, we're coming back down. Okay. 600 to 531. Fuck, that's a big move, man. That's a big move. We could possibly come back. Let's see. DXY could still be bullish. Could still be bullish. Sorry about all the coughs today, you guys. It's not just me, it's Cash as well. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. Yeah. Okay, let's see how they react to a supply up here, you guys. Okay, maybe we come back down, do something of that sort. Okay, yeah, you think it's bearish?
Yeah, that's what I think.
On what time frame is that?
It's on Ali.
Ali. Okay, Cash says on the the fuck just happened? Cash says on the Ali we could be bearish. So we have a trap and gap that's going on the Ali right here. Okay. We could be coming back for this retracement all the way there. So our exact box on the 5-minute would be the trade. She was trying, yeah, it's only an impulse. So wait 20 seconds. If this candle now does something like this, JJ, then yes. That's the reason for that trend line to be there. What's Nasdaq doing?
Trying.
Okay, Nasdaq closed right in our demand zone. Let's see if they pick up buyers. We have the new Ali swap that's going to open up in 5 minutes. So let's see, you guys. All right, let's see. I am going to stay till the Ali swap comes in, and then I'm going to take off, okay, you guys? Okay, some supply up here. Supply up here. Guys, these markets are so slow today, man. Everything's so slow. It's not even funny. Guys, I have a couple of friend requests. Well, Cash has a couple of friend requests. If you guys are sending her friend requests for the one-on-ones, please message her and let her know, so that she can send you the information. Okay, I think. Hey Chris. Hey Chris. Hey buddy. I hope you're doing well, Chris. But if you've sent her a friend request for the one-on-ones, please make sure to message. Cheers, Chris. She'll reply to you after the session, okay, buddy? I think I'm gonna take a break. Made a small W on the US 30. Kudos to you, Cram, for being here sick. Appreciate it as always. Thank you so much, JJ. I'm glad you're learning when to stop, brother. Good stuff, okay? I'm sure you've had a successful week. Good for you. Super, super happy for you. And I'll talk to you next weekend, okay, buddy? Okay, guys, I'm gonna stay for the next 3 minutes. And I'm gonna call it, okay? Let's see, this drop it's starting to look good, okay? I have a feeling, trust me, Cash said it'll happen, but I feel like this could be more of a news thing rather than rather than it happening roundabout now. How much time do we have for news? About an hour? How much time do we have for news, guys? When is the speech? Also, if you're gonna be trading that, please be careful, man. I mean it, okay? Because usually with the speech, it it takes time to play out, man. You know, they wait for the speech to end, and then you'll see the markets. It's ridiculous, okay? I remember, I remember seeing it live almost, you know, a couple of months back. He's talking, and the markets are literally moving and I'm also an actor, right? So I understand characters, right? I understand emotions when it comes to being in front of the camera. And literally every time he said something that seemed a little uncertain, I would see red candles. And every time he said something positive, it'd be bullish candles. So it's always amazing to. You should literally, you guys, if you all have the time today and you're not going to be trading it, watch the speech live and watch the market side by side and try to make a correlation. I'm not even kidding. If you guys are understanding the correlation, kudos to y'all. All right, it means y'all have picked up something from us. All right, but for real, give it a shot today and see how that plays out. Literally every word makes price move. Absolutely, Millzone's right. Crab, thank you very much for the session. Take care of yourself and get some rest. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much, Glenn. I'll talk to you on, I think it's Monday, right, buddy? Talk to you then. Have a great weekend, man. Looking forward to our one-on-one. YouTube, buddy. YouTube.
Get nasty picking up support.
Okay, Nasty picked up support.
It's not nice.
You just have to YouTube it, and you'll find a lot of streams live when the speech opens up. Um. Okay. This is the new Ali momentum. I like gold. Sorry, not gold. I like GU down here. I really like GU down here. Okay, whenever this happens, it could be on news, but they're getting rejected from there. Nasdaq is the worst today. Yes, Nasdaq's gonna be pretty shitty from now for the next month to a month and a half. Okay, I'm letting you guys know. Till we hit Q3, expect some weird volume and weird volatility with the indices. Okay, which is why I've started charting more GU for you guys, because this is the best time to introduce you guys to um to Forex pairs. Thank you, babe. Thanks, Graham. Hope you will be back 100% by Monday. Take it easy, mate. See you all next week. 100%, man. I'll be back up and running and making pips together with you guys. And I promise you, okay, my energy, everything's going to be back Monday. I just need to rest up, get on some medication, and I'm going to be just fine. Okay, you guys, it's just gonna be choppy, you know. It's just gonna range sideways and do its thing. So let it sort of just do what it has to. We don't have to stress. You guys remember I told you we could be coming back down for that double bottom completion. Okay, so let's see. Maybe that move could possibly play out. All right, get well soon, Cram and Cash. Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much. He'll be back nasty on Monday, 100%, brother, 100%. I'll be back and be ready to rip these markets for you guys all over again, okay? But anyway, guys, listen, I'm really not feeling the best. I'm gonna call it a session now, okay? So I thank you guys so much. We've had an awesome week. We've had a very, very successful week. The schedule is going to be out within the next couple of hours. Okay, I'm gonna send across, and Millzone, the team, they'll have it posted up in the next couple of hours itself. Please set the reminder so that you guys know when we're live, because every week the schedule, like I said, London's going to be at the same time, but New York, we may come for market open or an hour earlier. We want to give you guys the schedule just so that you guys can plan your look at Nasty. Look at Nasty, okay? Just so that you can plan your day accordingly. All right, so that y'all can make it to the session. So make sure to refer to that. And like I keep saying, you guys, like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires, okay? If you don't know what we're doing, step up. Now's the time. Get learning with us. This is the power of the Queen of Nasty. As y'all can see, she called it, and it's doing exactly that. All right? She's the Queen of Nasty, I'm the King of Dirty. With a perfect pair. I don't even have the energy to laugh, you guys. but but it's pretty on point. All right, I call this, she called that, and it's playing out. Okay, it's playing out. I don't know where you're gonna find a filthier pair to make money with. All right, but um, but anyway, jokes apart, please be careful in these markets. If you guys are going to be trading, if you guys are going to be trading the speech, please be mindful. Wait for price to do its thing. Okay, Army of Millionaires, you guys know it. I will catch you guys next week. I promise. I will be up. I will be ready, good to go. Last thing before you guys head out. Okay, I was in no condition, in all honesty, or no mood to even get this session done. I'm still here for you guys, and I know a lot of you guys have made money today. I saw the W's. Please let these translate into two things for us, okay? Success stories on our Forex server and some Twitter posts, all right? If I can take the trouble to be here and do this for you guys, the least y'all can do is just put on some success stories on our Forex server, excuse me, and some Twitter posts. On Twitter, make sure to tag Cram, Cash, and the Forex Twitter page. Okay, please get those done for us, and we'd really appreciate it. And even if you don't want to do it, it's all good. It's not going to stop us from doing what we do for you guys. Okay, so thank you all so much. Have a great weekend, you guys. Rest up. I think I'm telling that to myself, but rest up. Stay away from the markets. Let your brains relax a little bit and come back fresh on Monday. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, my army of millionaires, and I will catch you guys next week. I'm Cram, my partners Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Take it easy, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.